Thanks, girl. Muskoka. It's pretty good so far. She bought me Starbucks.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I don't know. I haven't vlogged in a hot minute. I've just been not in the vlogging motivation, to be honest. And I don't want to force a vlog, but I feel like vlogging today. I have a midterm in like 10 minutes, actually. All right, guys. I just got the email confirming my oil change. So that's at 3 today, which is great. Now I'm about to start. Just finished. It's 8:40 and I got a 92%. But let's go make it oatmeal. Sorry I didn't record that. My dad was on a business call, so I didn't really want to bother him. It's 9. I just had my Catherine oats. I called them that because it's her recipe, so I'll just link it down below if you want to make them. But now I'm going to read a chapter of my law textbook because might as well like do something productive during this little patch of time. Do a little chapter and then we'll head over to Catherine's. I have to leave in like an hour and a half, so I got fair time. Okay guys, it's now like 10:30 and I'm just packing up to go to Catherine. I haven't seen her in so long, so I'm literally just wearing my comfy clothes, so let's go. Okay, let me give you the life update. I saw Catherine, she bought me Starbucks and it was so nice, but we honestly had so much to catch up on because I haven't seen her in like month and a half, so we were just chatting and I didn't really want to record it, but I just did the curbside pickup and I got some winter boots because I'm gonna be up north a lot now and I need some better quality shoes, so boots. But yeah, I'll try them on when I get home and stuff. So that's good that we got that. I need to go home and make some food. It's lunchtime. It was so good to see her. I've just missed her so freaking much. This whole COVID thing has been so hard, but yeah. And Catherine gave me food chocolate and it's mint one. Oh fuck, it's gonna be so good. So we're gonna drive home, but it was so good seeing her and I'm so happy. I just feel so good. I'm gonna go home, make some lunch, chill, do my workout, drop my car off to get an oil change, and yeah, it's been a great day. If you're wondering, I got a honey almond flat white. It's now 1:15 and I think I'm just gonna make the same lunch I had yesterday, which is just like Gardein chicken nuggets. Just like a salad. It's like a Cobb salad but vegan. Here it is. I've literally made this in a bunch of vlogs, but I found it from Jacqueline Forbes. I use the Gardein vegan chicken tenders, and then I do onion, cherry, tomatoes, cucumber, raisins, avocado, and then whatever dressing you have. I just used an avocado oil one. Oh, and chickpeas. And that's it. And it's like a Cobb salad. It's really good. It's now 1:45. I think I'm just gonna chill until I need to bring my car in because I don't want to rush my workout. So I'm just gonna hang out and then I will go drop my car off for its oil change, come back, work out, and then I'll probably go and pick it up. So I have like an hour to just do nothing. I'm watching Vanishing at the Cecil Hotel. It's pretty good so far. Okay, it is time to go drop off Willie for an oil change. Why am I nervous? Okay, I'm just walking back now, but it was like super easy. The guy was nice. It's gonna be like 45 minutes and it's like a 15 walk home. So I'm gonna walk home, then hopefully my dad will be done with his call and can drive me back. But yeah. You guys like my look? It's 5:45. I just finished my arm workout. Now I'm gonna go shower because my hair is so gross and dirty. I'm trying really hard to like not wash it. So this one's been like 5-6 days. I don't even know. Been a long time. But I'm gonna go wash my hair and then we'll start cooking up dinner. Yeah, but that's the update. It's just been pretty like errand but chill day. I've really just watched, really binge watched Cecil Hotel and did some errands on my friend, you know? But I'm really glad I got that oil change done. That's what's been on my to-do list. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower. I'm all showered, as you can tell. And now I'm going to make the famous General Tao's tofu rice bowl. Okay guys, it's 6:40 now. I made dinner. It actually was like a lot to do. And then I just set up 90210 and got everything ready. So I'm just waiting for Mom. For my dessert, I'm just having some blueberries, yogurt, peanut butter, and granola. Good morning, you guys. I slept so bad. Good morning. Officially, it's 6:56. And I have class at 8, so I purposely tried to get up earlier so I could have an hour to work out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do, Emma McDonald posted a video about talking about growing her butt, and she posted a workout in that video, so I'm gonna do that workout. Holy crap, guys, so I'm so tired. I slept so bad, and yeah, I'm just gonna try to grind this workout out. It's not like super, like I can take it at my own pace, so it should be fine. I just have a pretty busy day today because I have decided that I'm going to spend a lot of time at my cottage in Muskoka. My brother lives there currently, and I visited him, and it's just really nice up there. So I've decided I'm just gonna like pack a bag, and then I don't know when I'll come home. It could be next week, it could be in like a month, I don't really know. So I've just been preparing for that, like getting you know, my clothes together. I have to go get groceries today for when I'm up there. I had to let my spin job know that, and all the things. So, and I'm trying to see my friends all in before I go, since I don't know like if I'm gonna be there literally a week or like a month. So yeah, that's what's up. So let's get out of bed and work the booty with this super low energy Mackenzie. It's actually at 10:11 and my prof finished early, which is great because I actually have quite a bit to do. So I'm going to go pick up my contacts, grab a few groceries, and I have to pick up a book from the library for my brother. So let's go do all that. Just made it. It was a really hard process to get into this parking lot. Not expected, but I'm gonna go pick up these contacts. Holy moly, guys. I have been running around like crazy, but I got my contacts. That was a process. Then I went to the grocery store and grabbed some stuff for moving up north, because I'm just gonna grab the stuff that I don't need to like keep in a fridge or anything now, because then it's just easier to move right in. And then I needed to stop at the library for my brother because he wanted some library books for me to bring up. Now I'm going home, and Alana should be on her way soon, and then we're gonna go on a walk. But it's super nice out. Like feels like spring. It's insane. So that's great. So it should be a good walk. But I think I'm gonna go grab some gas on the way home. And yeah, that's what's up. It's been a productive, busy morning, really. I worked out, had class, did my hair. Oh, I put self-tanner and makeup on. Got my contacts, got my groceries, and got Kyle's book, and now I'm seeing my friend. So yeah, that's the update. Super sunny and nice out, and my stomach hurts. Okay, I'm home. Alana's on her way, so I will probably talk to you guys next when I'm with Alana. We're trying Caitlin's drink. I was Alana's idea, so thanks, girl. But it looks good. It just looks like every Instagrammer's Starbucks ever. Legit. But we'll let you know. Just got home from being with Alana. It was so fun, so good to see her. I was a really good time with her. But I'm going to make some lunch. It's 1:15. guys, it's now 3:20. I have to leave in about 45 minutes for spin, but I just made curry for dinner because my mom's working until pretty, like we're both gonna get home probably around 7-ish, so I just figured I'd have it all ready made so it's easy to just have when we get home. So yeah, that's what I did, but I'm just gonna chill out. I started this show called Ginny and Georgia. It's actually really good. I'm on the 2nd episode. So just doing that, and then I will eat a snack and go to spin. Okay, it's 3:45. I'm gonna make a snack, and I'm craving something sweet, so I'm gonna, make a microwave brownie. And while I'm making that, I'm also gonna feed my dog because she has to be fed a bit early today since no one will be home. There, my friends, is my afternoon brownie with some coconut yogurt. Okay guys, I just got to spin. I have my shift, it's like 2 hours long. Holy crap, my stomach hurts so much from that brownie, but it tasted great, so it's okay. And this feeling is temporary. It's actually my last shift for quite some time, so kind of sad. But yeah, I will talk to you guys when it's over, just because I'm literally just being a COVID police there, so there's nothing to really record unless you guys are interested in how clean Spinco is, because let me tell you, we're clean. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude this vlog. I literally was just preparing for Muskoka, so I will see you in my next one where I move there, and enjoy the next few vlogs, which are all going to be at my cottage.